please subscribe, share, and like. There is noise here. I don't know what it is, but maybe we're gonna look at it later and spend some time. But the blue Moro is not working in this car. Okay, this also needs to be replaced. Yeah, we're gonna change this one too. But if you notice here, we changed the blue Moro. The blue Moro for this car, if you need to change it, everything you have to come out. You see this here, airbag, all this, you see, have to go out and you have to reach the blue Moro where it's sitting all the way in that area. So now in this place here, this is our resistor. And if you notice here, the car is working now. This wire here, one of them is a commanding wire. You see this here? Is a commanding wire. The small wire that the blue Moro have. Power, ground, signal from the blue Moro control module, and two wires are going to the blue Moro control. Okay, you cannot see it there. It's kind of there, but I just want to show you what is the reading if you go up or down. Okay, look here. I'm gonna go down. You see there, 12 volt. When I close it completely, or almost close it, I'm gonna have 12 volt. Why 12 volt? This is the voltage of the, that means the power coming from the other side of the resistor come out looking for the ground. As soon as I go here, now the ground, you see like 5 volt, it's going down to 0 ground. So we have a resistance but 0 ground. This is the side of the blue Moro ground side. Now it's 0.6. The ground is coming gradually from the resistor. Do not test this one with the resistor outside, because the resistor can become hot and they stop to repair. Now the other one is the signal. What you need to know from the blue Moro switch working or not. Now fully function, you have like 5 volt. You see? I'm gonna go down now. You see the change. Go to 3 point something, now it's ground. See, now 0, ground. As soon as you try to give a signal, 2 point something, 3, the higher you go, the higher voltage you go. You can 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 5 volt, 6 volt, 7 volt, 8 volt. Now this will go, that's 8 volt. What you give it here, you also change ground. So you have voltage low, you have ground or signal modulator. This is the fuse box for this car here. And if you want to know the fuse numbers, just push this one a little bit. It will give you all the fuses information. When you finish, please put it back. If you're looking for anything that doesn't work, you see the numbers. Here we tell you which number, what it is. After you finish, please try to spend time and put it back. This is the fuse box for this car, 1999 5 Series inspection. This car is complete. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay. Do we have anything here to work with it also? I have, okay, this is the blue Moro. And if this is somewhere we can still, this blue Moro is still good. But here in US, I don't know, people are a little bit lazy, or I don't know what happened for us. We always change everything. If you want to fix it, yes, you're going to open it and you just change the lubricate it good and change the brushes. I will see if I can fix it. Okay, where is the resistor? This is the airbag. You see, if anything happens, just go up like this, and this airbag come out for the safety. But the new ones, the whole dashboard have to be replaced. We have another one here also for the curtain, if you notice here. And we have water that get into this car. Please, we have to fix this one. We don't want any water. I know some of them, they have fuse box here. And that fuse box, if you don't do attention, you're gonna mess it up. have that noise. Please, somebody tell me what it is also.
Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about here.
You may not know, but this is a sign that something gonna be happening here sooner or later. This for a long time ago, not right now, for a year. So also this have to be fixed. I'm gonna go look for another fuse box location where I'm gonna get a new one. Then I will come cut all those wires and replace them with that one. The next step. Also, we found that the fuel pump here in the back, we have an issue. We fix it. We change it. We're gonna take care of this car. I have something here. I don't know what it is, but maybe this is a sound system. Amplifier. Yeah, you see here. Those are the speakers. Yeah, that's the technology. We have some power here in this area. Maybe behind there, you see here those fuses also need to be taken care of it. Yeah, better to change it or clean it. We have some fuses here. The battery is in this area. What do we have here? This is maybe I see like it have line for compressor. We're gonna look for it also. If you need, we're gonna change it. Yes. But okay, it's not corresponding. Dino. The price I see on. No, I did not ask. You can ask the dealer. You have the part number there. Yeah, I don't want to. I was waiting for you all this. I said maybe you're gonna come and pick it up. I say I don't need. Yeah, come here. Just pay me whatever it is and take the car, and then you. This thing here, I have a noise. Maybe. Starter. Yeah. And this car also, I just want to tell you, the EWS is not there anymore. The EWS is moved. We don't have the EWS on it. It's disabled. Because EWS is disabled. I don't want to leave this car running. Or we need to check this one too, why it doesn't work. The fuel gauge, that fuel gauge sender unit, one of them is good. I'm gonna check the other one, the one on the left side. Because you have two fuel gauge units. This also here. So look, you know why this noise? Maybe inside, a vacuum, whatever. We're gonna release the belt and see what happens. Maybe the pollution pump. It's 1999. I'm not Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun with this.